Behind the revolution stood brave women who carried muskets, gathered intelligence, and fought for independence alongside the Continentals. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. The Revolutionary War wasn't fought by men alone. Women carried weapons, gathered intelligence, and stood on battlefields when history rarely expected him to. Deborah Sampson disguised herself as a man and fought for over a year in the Continental Army, wounded in battle, silent to protect her secret. At Fort Washington, Margaret Corbin took over her fallen husband's cannon, firing until she was badly wounded herself. Mary Ludwig Hayes carried water to soldiers at Monmouth, then stepped in to fire a cannon under enemy fire. Women carried messages, hid intelligence, and misled enemy officers, using invisibility as protection and power. Many women followed the army, cooking, nursing, repairing clothes, and when fighting erupted, some picked up weapons. Most women received no medals, no pensions, and little acknowledgement, yet their courage kept the army alive and fighting. These women proved the revolution wasn't just fought for liberty, it was fought by it, wherever courage was found.